Oh, according to what we are hearing now, Mr. President has sent his VP to go and check on former president of this nation, Muhammadu Buhari. Yeah, the news has been going on about the health challenge of former president Muhammadu Buhari. Of course, he's not a young man, and everybody knows that it was even by the grace of God he finished his 8 years. So people are wondering why making it a secret, why sending Shettima to go and check on Buhari, and why making the health condition of former president editing. As it always be eating in Nigeria. What is your reaction?
Yes, Gabashew made it very clearly. I think when the speculation become a rumor, when it's being rumored that he has been fleeing to an unknown destination, and that was when Gabashew came out and issued a press statement that the president is actually, on a very serious, facing a very serious health challenges. This is a president that have a lot of things surrounding his state of health, even where he assumed office. We know that to an extent he disappeared from the political space, from the leadership space. Immediately he won that election and disappeared to maybe unknown place for several months. We didn't hear from him. I think that was the era of one in who was the closest person to him now. The very powerful man at that time.
We have Baba Kyari, and we have Mama Daura.
Mama Daura, yes, Baba Kyari, Mama Daura. These guys were able to structure this thing to an extent. Nigerians were confused. There was this clamor of that the president, as at that time, might have faced some level of, scientific applications. Let me just use it that way. Until we begin to see him, after several months. I think he got to the point that the Senate was about looking at, the constitutional stipulated time where a president can be declared incapacitated or whatever, and or he resurfaced. And he ran very almost on, often as usual. He always go out flew to London, to abroad for medical attention and all that. But what surprises a lot of Nigerians is at this point is that how come the president, the former president received the serving vice president. When he left the country, nobody knew. When he went to London, nobody knew. When he visited him, there was no picture to show that Shettima actually went to London to see Buhari. Who did he actually go to London to see? That's the questions most Nigerians are asking Gabashew, since he seems to be the one who knows much surrounding Buhari's health challenges. He is a former president of Nigeria, and of course, they had just left power about 2 years ago, and we need to know what is actually going on. But when he got there, we didn't know that whether he saw Buhari there in the hospital, or whether he visited him in a private home, or whether there was a place, allocated to him somewhere in London, somewhere anywhere in the world. Nigerians need to know all these things. And fortunately or unfortunately, Shettima came back, without any news of whether he actually saw Buhari or he did not see Buhari, or this is actually what transpired, or this is not what transpired. So the whole thing seems to be modeling towards speculations, that Buhari, might be in a situation, or they are just trying to cover a lot of things that have happened in the past. These are one of the reasons why, people can come out and say, Buhari, even to an extent, I think he was actually mentioning it in one occasion or the other, about what was being, in the public speakers at that time. It was first reported in the UK Mail and media, that a former president of Nigeria, has passed on, and 1 million silent or there. So many stories was built on that.
Because when the president?
Yes, it was because of the long absence from the seat of power, running into close to 9 months or thereabout, or 10 months or thereabout. So there was so much speculations everywhere.
Sorry.
And that was why this is keep on building to an extent. Then we have so many stories surrounding it. This time around again, people are saying that Buhari might have, had the deal, because you said someone is Jubril, when we said one Jubril from Sudan, one man from Sudan, so place, it has been cloned, it has been done this, it has done this, So these things that's happening now without a proper clearance, without a proper picture to show, without the vice president himself at any point in time, stating clearly this is the position of what he saw in London. He actually met Buhari, or Buhari is nowhere to be found, or this is what transpired, or he was not allowed to meet Buhari, or does that something else is happening that 250 million Nigerians do not know.
Are you suggesting that maybe what is the name of the one that they say they used to replace Buhari that time?
Jubril.
Maybe, are you suggesting Jubril has returned to where he comes from?
I don't want to be the one.
No. Are you suggesting?
Yes, but the thing is that we supposed to. These things are supposed to be cleared, from Shettima after he was sent. Bola Ahmed Tinubu knows why he sent him secretly or whatever. Whether it is secret, I don't know. Whether he actually went there, nobody knows. Whether he actually had access to where Buhari is receiving medical updates, nobody knows. So and he came back, nobody knows. There was no statement from anywhere. The only person that was supposed to be talking about this thing had just told us, as long as it's from Nigerians, the president is having health challenges and has been flown to UK, and we don't know the same UK again. There was a lot of things. So we need to understand this, and that is why in some opinion areas, in some opinions, they are speculating that he might have returned, and they are going to play another game at the end of the day, and that ends it. After all, they did not have actually achieved their aim with that, because they cannot stand another factor at the end of the day. So that is the whole thing, and a lot of things have been put in place here for Shettima, to come out public now and address Nigerians on the issue. Yes, he commands over 12 million followers in the north. The former president, Muhammadu Buhari.
If not for this speculation or this our assumption that maybe all this clone, all this unofficial things, that all this speculation, let's go away with that one. Let's assume that Buhari, the real Buhari, former head of state, former Nigeria president, is sick. Let's look at it from another perspective. What do you think that can make his family or his political associates to be eating it if his health condition is in critical state, or maybe he has even passed on? What do you think it can make those people be hiding it? Will it be as a result of its influence on the north, or what is it going to be look like about 2027 election? Do you think it's going to, maybe he's being alive or his death can affect 2027 election?
Maybe the North can do anything at any point in time. Maybe they decide to play the health issue, so that Buhari will just be at the background, coordinating the downfall of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, given what we are seeing already. All his ministers are already in ADC, they are already kicking, again. And remember, I said it very clearly that it come to a point that this very Shettima have to go to Daura and lead a delegation that brought Buhari from Daura to Kaduna. You understand what I'm saying? Now, you went to London, powered by the president, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, for you to come back, and you came back and you're silent. Is there anything that Buhari told you that you don't want to tell Nigerians? Is there anything these people, again, are preparing that it is not yet made to millions of Nigerians to understand? The direct? He is a public servant commanding over 12 million followers or more. A lot of people are asking, whether those who love him or those who hate him, they needed to know. He's a public servant, the former president of Nigeria, for that matter. Then, what kind of sickness is he? Is he battling with? What actually is keeping him? What we need to have these briefs, so that Nigerians will be able to have, because he just left power, and if it is a strategic, because they can actually do anything. Because if you look at the situation now, there's something that the North are going to play ahead. Because I did not see the reason why all of a sudden they just left power, and all the ministers that served under that administration, all of them have moved to ADC, leaving anything that has to do with APC. So there's a lot of questions is that, and look at what the Shettima is saying now. Bola Ahmed Tinubu committed this, committed that, committed in Rivers State. So what picture are they trying to paint? Nigerians need to know, what actually there is a situation now health-wise of the former president Muhammadu Buhari, and secondly, is he backing the coalition, or is he going to stand with his friend Bola Ahmed Tinubu 2027?
No, a very long time I've been saying that the former president Muhammadu Buhari is not somebody I can trust wholeheartedly with my heart. And that sometimes the way you even reason, the way you even act in some situation, it will not help. Even in the case of his own go, you saw how he handled the case of a Senate president that time that make Bukola Saraki to Iman. That was against himself. So there are some way he handled things that make me think about his mental stability. I don't know.
We will not rule out that the personality of the one that was president, Muhammadu Buhari, is individually personal. He's a private individual person. He's a personal person. So he's not somebody that he believes that those kind of characters pave way for him to hit any target at any point in time without anybody pointing towards his direction. Whether it is coming from as a result of his military background, or he just devised it as a strategy and to keep people in suspense, and before you know it, just like a snake, he will strike and strike dangerously. You understand? We are seeing such things now, that he is in London and nobody can, whether the vice president saw him or not is an issue, whether they had interaction is an issue. He has not come out to say, okay, this is his direction, or even allow possibly Garba Shehu, to be on his side, who should be responding to so many speculations surrounding his health challenges, if he's actually, in the hospital or not.
Well, former president of this country, Muhammadu Buhari, still remained property of Nigeria. He was our former president, and he's a public figure. He controlled millions of people. So we need to know his whereabouts, his health condition, and even you have to say one or two things about 2027 election. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, share, subscribe to this channel if you are watching for very first time.
Yes. And another thing that we want to add here is the issue of Nnamdi Kanu. Now, from the judgment that you see, Buhari might be running from different things. He's safer dead, according to James Hartley. There's so much trouble around him. The only thing is just let me just take for a lot of people who have read that book. Safer Dead by James Hartley Chase. You begin to understand, why Machiavelli had to actually fake his death. I'm not saying that we should look at it that direction. What is happening in Kenya is another trouble for Bola Ahmed Tinubu, because he contravened so many treaties, committed a criminality.
You mean Buhari?
Yes, he contravened laws and treaties by carrying out a criminality, between nation versus nation. So the ICC is already on that. The AU is already on that, and his case is being tabled now as a result of Kenyan judgment. They might decide to play anything at the end of the day, and we hardly know anything.
But Buhari has disappeared before we get the justice in Kenya. But maybe he is known.
Yes, because you can see
he's maybe private to some information.
Yes, the heart issue came up immediately within the space where the clear judgment was passed, and they know the consequences.
And they themselves, they know what they did, and they know that it's also be
a
uncovered.
lot of organizations are taking that up, and because they waited for 5 years or thereabout for them to have one single evidence to launch their whatever they want to launch, whether it's going to be arrest, whether it's going to be a physical presence in the ICC, but they know already that act was a criminal act.